I'm here because I wanted to follow a career path through chemical engineering, and I thought this would help prepare me so that I could follow that career path and already get a taste of what it's like.
I've enjoyed all the different opportunities to do things I can't do in my normal classes. Like today we learned how to do like sketches of like floor plans for buildings on the computer and to make things and 3D print them and all kinds of things.
Because we get to do things that normal kids don't do. Like me and one of my partners from last year, we developed something that could actually be patented should we decide to pursue that. Like, it just gives you a sense of pride because you're like, look at this, I did this, I made this process, I helped this become more efficient. And we've actually gotten a patent through this academy, so that's definitely something that you take pride in.
I found an interest in engineering and building things, and when I heard the opportunity to come here, I thought, why not? There's so many different ways you can do things on these different programs, and with all these different things we do, and it's just how far you want to learn.
It's a lot of hands-on work. Like when we build walls, we build models. Like we do a lot of stuff with Revit as well, which is a 3D software where you can build model houses. However, then you transition into like math and English, which is a lot more theory and context. So like in math, we're learning about law of cosines and stuff like that. So you have to be able to apply the theories that you learned to your civil class. It all kind of connects very well.
Most of our work is in partners or in groups, so it's good because with all the kids coming from the other schools, you meet new people and you learn how they work and how you can relate with them with all these projects.
What I really liked was that we can go through and there's 2 big projects every year. One for your first half, one for the second half. And so you get to find a problem and you create an innovation to solve that problem, or you find a process that's lacking and then you pick up the slack and you try and make that process better.
Being able to try new things and do things that you can't do in normal classes, doing things that I like that I could potentially do as a career. They offer after-school college classes, so when I'm done with my classes here, I can ride a bus to Thomas More and take college classes and start getting credits now. And when I'm a senior, there's another academy called the Gemini Academy, and I can take all of these different college classes and I can go into college being a sophomore in college.
Oh yeah, it's very real life. The math transitions into our civil engineering because you have to know how to follow these laws in order to get your wall in the correct place. And then in English, we formulate these ideas, but if we don't know how to properly write them out or give them to another person, then it's basically useless, they're just ideas. So they all connect to real world applications.
It's always worth a try. You never know what you're gonna like until you try it. They teach you everything you need to know, and if you don't know it, you can always stay after school or they'll stay after class and teach you all these things to make sure you know what you have to do.
I'd say go for it because not just in this academy, but the academies in general have a wide range. It's like if you want to go into military, they have the military prep. For us, it's engineering, so they have the engineering, and there's just a bunch of things that give you a taste of what the real world is like.